Ryder, what does a horsey say? What are you doing? What are you doing on that horsey? Did you get up there by yourself? You're not a horsey. No, you're not.
I am a horsey.
You are?
Yeah.
No, you're a boy. He's a horsey.
I am a boy on a horsey.
You're a boy on a horsey, that's right. Do you love horses?
Yeah.
You do?
I play with Poppy at the water park.
Yeah?
And the beach.
And the beach?
I all finished.
What does that have to do with horses? Okay, bye. Can you say bye? Say bye first, and then I'm going to stop it.